Google Data Studio is a free reporting tool that lets you build real-time dashboards for monitoring performance. This is what Google Data Studio looks like when you open it up. The reason we might want to use Google Data Studio for reporting is that it has a direct connection straight through to Google Ads. So let's set that up. If we go down here to create new data source, we can see all the different sources that Google allows. There are also many more third-party sources through partner connectors like Funnel, but we're going to use this native connection to Google Ads. If we click in here, we can see the different accounts that we have access to. And then we can scroll down to the account that we want to use. I'm going to click Connect in the top right corner. These are all the different fields that we're importing. I'm going to click Add to Report. There we go. We can see data straight away. This is the number of clicks by campaign sorted descending. The cool thing about Google Data Studio is you can resize and move around, really, in any way that you want. This makes it great for being able to show the report in any way that you want. You can change the dimensions over here. So we can change this from campaign to ad group. You can also change what metrics are shown. So we have clicks. Let's add a second metric, which is cost. You can also create calculated fields. So if I click Add Metric and then Create Field, let's create a cost per click field. So that's cost divided by clicks. And then hit Apply. Let's see how to add another type of chart. In this case, let's do a line chart. So if we go to Insert, then Time Series, you can click there. Now we can see clicks over time. Let's take a look at a bar chart. If we click Add a chart and then bar, and then click wherever we want it, we can see that too. Once you have a chart, you can actually change the format without changing the underlying data. So on this bar chart, if we click in the top right under Chart Bar, let's make this a horizontal bar chart instead. Now we can stretch this out, make it much easier to read. The other interesting thing you can do in Google Data Studio is insert logos, images, as well as text. So let's show you how to add the text. If you go down here, this is where you would add an image. But the text is right here. We're going to click and drag. Now we can type whatever text we want. The other thing to think about is the data controls. So if we go up here to date range and then put that into the top, now we have a widget the user can click on to change the date range. We can also automatically set the date range. So for example, if we want them to see this month's performance, we can click there. Once you've designed the report that you like, you can go into view mode, and then you can click into the report and change it however you want. This is the way that the client or your boss is going to see this when you hit share, and then get the shareable link, and then send it to them. Once you've automated your reports in Google Data Studio, you'll be saving hours of work every single week.